Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix settings icon missing on Android, so let's start. So first, it's important to note that not all the Android has this option. In case that your Android has the options to hide an app and you can find it, you can go to the search part on your apps and looking for the app. That's one tip that I give you. The second tip is long press to your home screen and then let's go to settings. Here on settings you will find an option that says hiding apps. In my case, I don't have this option on my Android, but in your case, if you have it, just find the option that says hiding apps and you will find how to go back and appears the apps on your home screen. So that's how it works. But as I told you, this option it's not for all Androids. Not all Androids can hidden the apps, so you have to check if your iPhone or phone has the option. So guys, I hope this worked for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.